10 homes have collapsed along the Buxton shoreline on the Outer Banks in just the last month. And today, North Carolina's insurance commissioner visited the Outer Banks to see the damage firsthand. Our Outer Banks neighborhood reporter, Will Thomas, has been covering each collapse since they started, and he was there when the commissioner, Mike Causey, met with residents searching for solutions to prevent more homes from falling into the ocean.
Just 2 days ago, right here is where the 10th house collapsed in Buxton in the last month. I'm Will Thomas, your Outer Banks neighborhood reporter. I have been here covering each one since they started falling a few weeks ago. And because I live in the Outer Banks, I learned that State Commissioner of Insurance Mike Causey would be here on Monday. I asked him some questions.
The economic impact that this area and this county has to the whole state and the whole nation is pretty amazing.
The beach is not going to build back up over the winter enough for a few of these houses to be saved. It's inevitable, and we need to face that fact, and we need to be preemptive about what we do about it.
North Carolina Commissioner of Insurance Mike Causey spoke with Buxton residents and toured the shoreline after 10 home collapses in the last month. Marcy Shoemaker has lived in Buxton for more than 30 years. She helped make this meeting happen.
That's an environmental disaster that could be prevented, and we're not preventing it right now, and it's not even really being talked about.
Right now, many homeowners are faced with the challenge that they can't receive an insurance payout until the house falls in the ocean. Though Causey doesn't have the ability to change that, he does say he's committed to speaking with state and federal elected leaders who can.
I have no control over it, but I can speak to our congressional delegation and people that have an interest, and most of our folks do have an interest in saving our shoreline and what this area means to the economy of North Carolina. It's a big deal.
Having the support from Causey was a big deal from Buxton residents on Monday, and that also includes the hope that Congressman Greg Murphy's bill that would allow for insurance payouts before the house collapses can gain more traction as well.
He has the governor's ear once a month, and the governor has federal agencies' ear. He had to have made contacts in Western North Carolina through federal agencies last year with all the FEMA problems that were going on out there.
Causey shares he does feel that the situation here is something that state and federal elected leaders are aware of and something he can continue to speak with them about.
I feel like it's kind of going to be an uphill fight to get these laws changed, but if we don't do anything, nothing's going to change.
In Buxton, Will Thomas, WTKR News 3.